Hi everyone, it's Mel. Today I'm going to teach you how to assemble and trim an X-wick. X-wicks are one of the newest additions to our family of wooden wicks. As if the name didn't tell you enough, these unique shaped wicks create a visually interesting point of difference in your candle creations and form a playful, cylindrical flame shape when burned. Unlike our other flat wick and shaped wick varieties, X-wicks come with some assembly required. You will notice that they arrive in two pieces. These two pieces have been carefully cut so that they fit together perfectly to create the X-wick shape. When assembling your wick, you will take one side long cut face down and position a second piece with the long cut facing up. While holding the up-facing wick in one hand, gently slide the side facing down into the center of the other wick, interlocking the two pieces. Once you have them aligned, look for two interlocking mechanisms as well as a small indent on both the top and the bottom of your wick. Gently use your fingers to pop the locking mechanisms into the small indents. This will secure the X-wick shape. Once your wick is fully assembled, you will gently press it into your wick clip. To do so, place your clip upright on a flat surface, aligning the X shape with an X indent on the top of your clip, and while holding the center of your wick with one hand, use your other hand to gently press each side into its appropriate holding place until the wick is firmly secured. Now that you know how to assemble your wick, it's time to trim. Once your candle has set, the best way to trim your X-wick is to take wick trimmers or a sharp set of scissors and hold the top of the wick with one hand and make a swift, clean cut across the entirety of the wick. The wick may change shape during the cut. This is normal and can be easily moved back into place. If the top of your candle is disrupted in the process, you can smooth the tops using a few passes of a heat gun. And if you'd prefer to avoid trimming, we have a variety of heights available to fit your corresponding vessel size so that you don't have to fiddle with trimmers or scissors. Now that you know how to assemble and trim an X-wick, what's your favorite trimming method? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now, go make it happen.